You are already mastering today's challenges. But are you ready for tomorrow's? Detect process anomalies to reduce production waste. Reduce inspection costs by predicting the overall quality. Optimize your production process and boost your line efficiency. Maximize infrastructural reliability and availability by avoiding unplanned downtimes. Relieve manual quality check effort via visual inspection. Save implementation costs and schedule service routines on time. Are you ready to transform your shop floor with AI? We are.